Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover PSN account without date of birth. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To do it, what you need to understand is Sony normally asks for date of birth when verifying your account. If you don't remember it, you cannot recover your account using the standard online form. You'll need to contact PlayStation support for manual recovery. So to do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type PlayStation account login and look for an option that says PlayStation support. Now inside PlayStation support, select account and security, and here inside account and security, what you need to do is account recovery. Then once that's done, what you need to do is select recover your account with email, and then once that's done, select I have an access to my email. And here you will find the option that says you can regain access to your account using an email verification. So to do it, simply head over and open up or sign into your PlayStation network, and then once that's done, under about Sony account, select trouble signing in, and once you tap on trouble signing in, you'll find I forget my password or can use my passkey, and under it you'll find recover your account option. Simply select that, and once that's done, you'll be prompted to the next page asking you to enter your sign-in ID. Then all you gotta do is enter in your sign ID and then tap on send link, and PSN network will send you a reset link to the associated email. All you gotta do is open up the mail associated with it, and you'll find an PSN mail with a reset link. Simply tap on that and you'll be prompted to reset your password. All you gotta do is enter in your new password, and then once that's done, you'll be able to log into your account without date of birth as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.